Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has updated its known issues health dashboard page to let us know that it has resolved an issue with ASUS devices, where ASUS devices might fail to install Windows 11 version 24H2. Now, this was a known issue that was opened on the 18th of October last year, and that was just after the start of the rollout of 24H2, which started on the 1st of October last year, as far as I can recall. Now, just a quick recap regarding what was actually the problem. Microsoft said that after attempting to update to Windows 11 24H2, some ASUS devices might encounter an issue where the system is unable to complete the update. During the update process, devices might experience a blue screen with an error message and cannot complete the installation of version 24H2. So that's what the problem was. And then Microsoft said to safeguard your update experience, it had applied a compatibility hold on devices using this application. Now, as mentioned, the issue has been resolved, and the issue was resolved late last week in my part of the world on the 14th of February, and that was last week Friday. So if we just head over to the Known Issues Health Dashboard page, here Microsoft gives us the resolution. They say that this issue has been resolved with a BIOS update provided by ASUS. Devices with ASUS models X415KA and X515KA running a BIOS version lower than 3.11 will need to install the latest BIOS update to remove the safeguard and proceed with the Windows 11 version 24H2 upgrade. They carry on to say the BIOS update is categorized as a critical update, CU for short, critical update, and is available through Windows Update. So basically what this means is you would have to head over to your Windows Update page with those two model numbers as mentioned, and I would suggest just checking for updates. And then Microsoft carries on to say that while the safeguard remains in place, it will gradually be lifted as more devices receive the updates. So obviously that would be the BIOS update rolling out through Windows Update. Users are advised to check for updates in Settings, Windows Update, and install all available updates to ensure compatibility with Windows 11 version 24H2. Now, just on a quick side note, if we head back into our Windows Update, once you have checked for updates, if the updates for your BIOS are not appearing here on the Windows Update page, then what I would suggest is heading into your advanced options and looking for optional updates. Okay, but I think because this is a critical update, as Microsoft has said, then it will appear on your main update page. So that's the resolution, and it must probably be listed as a firmware update or something in that regard. And normally when you have a BIOS update, it'll tell you to restart your device, and then it'll just update automatically. You'll see a couple of different extra screens when you first restart your device, and it'll tell you that the BIOS is updating normally, and it's nothing you have to actually do from your side. It'll all take place automatically in the background. So that issue with ASUS devices failing to install with Windows 11 version 24H2, according to Microsoft, has been resolved. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.